What's wrong, baby Gia? What's wrong? There you go, stinker Prada. Why don't you get up there, baby girl? There's the big girl. Yes. How old are you? Tell everybody I'm 2 and I have my jammies on. No. Stay up there. She's not having it. Oops. Sorry guys, I'm still learning my camera.